Welcome to my channel, friends.
Ceiling designs refer to the artistic, architectural, or decorative elements incorporated into the uppermost surface of a room. Ceiling designs can greatly enhance a room aesthetic. Some popular options include tray ceiling, coffer ceiling, vaulted ceiling, exposed beams, and suspended ceiling. The choice often depends on the room style and desired ambience. Is there a specific type of ceiling design you are interested in, or do you need more information about these options? Then this video will help you a lot, because today I am presenting you ceiling design ideas for your living room. You can also apply these ideas in your bedrooms, drawing room, or even in halls. Ceiling designs play a crucial role in enhancing a room aesthetic by adding visual interest and creating a sense of style and depth. Unique ceiling designs can transform a plain room into an architectural marvel, adding character and sophistication. Strategic design like vaulted or raised ceilings can give the illusion of a larger, more open space, making the room feel grand and expansive. Ceiling with incorporated lighting elements like recessed lights or chandeliers can provide both functional and decorative lighting, enhancing the overall ambience. Different textures, pattern, or finishes on the ceiling can complement the room's decor and create a cohesive look. Elaborate ceiling designs such as coffered or tray ceiling can serve as a focal point, drawing the eye upwards and adding interest to the room. Choosing a ceiling design that matches the overall style of the room ensures harmony and cohesion, contributing to a pleasing visual experience. Applying a different color to finish to the ceiling can create contrast, making the ceiling stand out and adding depth to the room. Friends, please like, comment and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.